Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss the introduction to regular expressions. Regular expressions are used for representing certain sets of strings in an algebraic fashion. Here regular expressions are the shorthand notations of representing a regular language. Here regular expressions describe regular language that is accepted by finite automata. Finite automata is nothing but NFA and DFA is a regular language. Here we can see a note. You should remember certain rules to represent certain regular expressions. Okay. So here first rule is any terminal symbol, that is symbols over sigma, including empty symbol and pi, are the regular expressions. This we can call it as cap symbol. Okay, cap symbol and pi symbol are also the regular expressions. Here till now we came across A, B, C are the terminal symbols. Now you should include empty symbol and pi symbol are also the regular expression. Okay, or all are the regular expressions. Second rule, the union of two regular expressions is also a regular expression. The union of two regular expressions is also a regular expression. Here we can give it as R1 and R2, and is nothing but union. Okay, R1 union R2, that means R1 plus R2. This is also a regular expression. And the third rule is the concatenation of regular expressions is also a regular expression. That means R1 into R2. Okay, R1 into R2, that is also a regular expression. Next, the fourth rule is the iteration, that means the closure. Okay, the closure of a regular expression is also a regular expression. How we will represent the closure? See here like this. Okay, so how we will represent the closure? See, R tends to R closure. That means, for example, A closure. That means you need to write all the possibilities of A and including with the empty symbol. That means here see, this is the empty symbol A, 3A's and 4A's, like so on. You need to write all the possibilities of A. So everything that you can form A including empty symbol. That means A star is nothing but including empty symbol. You need to write all the possibilities of A. Okay, that is the closure meaning. Okay, and the fifth rule is the regular expression over sigma are precisely those obtained recursively by the application of the above rules once or several times. Okay, these are the 5 rules for the regular expressions. Thank you.